Hello boys and girls, I'm Miss Val.
And I'm Maria.
And today we're going to
dance.
Today we're going to dance. That's right. So we've got a dance tutorial ready for you. So we're going to teach you a few steps of a song, and all you got to do is just move along with us. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to have some fun? Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. So this is what we're going to do first of all. So we're going to bring our hands up to the sky, and we're going to take 2 steps. 1 and another way. 2. Great. And you're going to swap hands. From there, you're going to take 2 jumps on the spot. 1, 2. And another way. 1, 2. All right, let's do that again. So we're going to go single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. Well done. All right. Now from there, we're going to bring our hands up to the front, and the other one, then bring it down, down, and you're going to hold it, and then you're going to move your chest and your hips at the same time for 2 times. Yes. All right, let's do that again from here. Yeah? So forward, forward, down, down, and hit. 1, 2. Great. All right, let's go from the top, from the jumps. So here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. All right, then we're going to do that again, but this time we're going to jump again. Yes, that's it. Now this time we're going to bring our hands forward, and again, down, down, and then you're going to reach all the way to the sky. That's it. Nice and high. Go. Woo! That's it. All right, let's do the jumps and the high moves. That's it. Okay, ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and forward, forward, down, down, and sky. Woo! Well done. All right, now from there we're going to do that one more time. So we're going to do the jumps again. That's it. Now jump higher. Now, and this time we're going to go forward, forward. Now we're going to cross, and then you're going to point it out, and then you're going to come all the way down, but with your hands moving and shaking it, and then you're going to whoop, lift your leg out. All right, let's do those moves, okay? So here we go. 1, 2. That's it. And forward, forward, cross, out, and out. Yes. All right, we're going to do that from the top. Are you ready to do all those moves?
Yeah.
We are ready. So here we go. Let's do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, forward, down, down, 2, hold. Yes. 1, 2. That's it. And forward, forward, down, down, and reach. Woo! And again, 1, 2. That's it, guys. And forward, forward, cross, out, down you go. Yes. Well done, guys. We did it. Yes. All right. Are you ready to dance now? Let's do this.
Let's get loud. Ain't nobody
That's right. Did you guys have some fun? So thank you so much dancing with us. All you got to do now is subscribe to our channel so you can keep watching all the videos that we've got coming up for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Adios.
Bye.